How to create macro to format a passbook data. If you need to format and calculate weekly passbook data to find the total deposits, total withdrawal, and balance, Excel macros can automate these tasks with a click of a button or a shortcut key. To get started, you need to enable the Developer tab. If the Developer tab is not visible, you can make it visible in Excel. Click on the down-facing arrow next to Quick Access toolbar. Select More Commands, and from the dialog box, click the Custom ribbon. Navigate to the right side, select the Developer tab if it is deselected, and click OK. Now click on the Developer tab, navigate to Record Macros, and click it. From the Record Macro dialog box, give your macro a name. For instance, TechTricksGh Macro 1. Create a shortcut key, for instance, Ctrl-Shift-K to store the macro in this workbook. And click OK to begin the recording. Now everything you do will be recorded and can be automated. Click and drag to resize the color. Change the font size to 12. Right-click to insert a row. Merge and center the cell and enter the heading TechTricksGh Passbook. On the Styles group, hit the Cells command. Change the background to blue and the text to white. Hold it and increase the font size 18. Highlight the subheadings and bold them. And select the content. Give it borders, a tick outside border. On the Styles group, hit the Cells command. Change the background to light blue. Hit the total deposits, total withdrawal, and total balance. Select Merge and right align the text. Change the total deposit background to blue, the text to white, and bold it. Change the total withdrawal background to red, the text to white, and bold it. Change the total balance to green, the text to white, and bold it. Begin the computation of the total deposits with an equal sign. Select the opening balance, followed by a plus sign. 2nd August deposits, a plus sign. 4th August deposits, and 6th August deposits. Press Enter on the keyboard to activate the formula and display the results. Begin the computation of the total withdrawal with an equal sign, followed by sum. When the sum function appears, double-click to add it to the cell. Now click and drag to select all the withdrawals made, and press Enter to display the results. To compute the total balance, begin with an equal sign. Select the total deposit, followed by a minus sign. Select the total withdrawal. Press Enter to activate the formula and display the results. Once the computation is done, select all the results. Bold the text. Give the cells borders. Right-align the transaction type content and increase the font size content to 12. Go back to the Developer tab, navigate to the Code group, hit Stop Recording. It is now time to apply the recorded macro to a raw data. To do this, select it on the Macro command. From the Macro dialog box, see the recorded macro. It's on Run. Instantly, the raw data is formatted using the steps recorded early on. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut key created during the macro recording to achieve the same results. Finally, remember to save your work by clicking Save As. Select a location to save your workbook. Enter the file name. Select the file type, such as Excel Macro Enable Workbook, and hit Save. That's it, TechTricksGh. Follow for more. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.